Ladies and gentlemen on the flight deck, on behalf of Emirates Airline and the crew board, I would like to welcome you aboard our Airbus 380 flight number 127 to Vienna.
My name is Nadine Darwish. I'm from Egypt. My pleasure to be the captain of your flight today. With me on the flight deck, Senior First Officer Alia Al-Muhiri from the United Arab Emirates.
Runway 30 clear for takeoff, Emirates 127. Okay, we are cleared for takeoff. Manflex 60 SRS auto thrust checked. Thrust set. Check.
D1.
Pleasure flying with you. Thank you very much. Merci, Habib.
Captain Naveen and I, we flew the 380 from Dubai to Vienna and back. Captain Naveen is a wonderful role model. She's an inspiration to all young pilots around the world, who has such a great attitude and such a wonderful perspective on things. To see her come every day to work with the same motivation like it was her first life.
It was a pleasure flying with Alia. She has a positive and dedicated attitude. She knows her job very well. It makes me proud and excited to see Alia as an example of what a generation of female pilots can achieve.